I'm just going to trim it down. So let's get my pair of scissors, my trusted scissors. I'm going to trim off, look at that, that's terrible. I'm going to trim off probably about half the length of that. See the difference there, look? So let's trim that off first of all. Yeah, one quick, very quick haircut. And there we are, already we got a texture brush, something like that there, look. So how does that work? Get a little bit of brown in there, so a little bit of burnt umber, like so, and then take some of that paint off on some kitchen roll. Then all we need to do then is start to stipple. So you tap in very lightly, you've taken most of the paint off, remember, very lightly, to create small, tiny marks. And the more paint that you take off, the finer the marks will be. Look how fine these are going on there, and I can barely see them, but look how fine that is. That's lovely, isn't it? So imagine if you worked on this in various layers to create the texture that you're looking for.